I've been waiting for this for literally the longest time. This is the Galaxy Note 10. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this, so let's go. So the one that I got is the Aura Pink version because that's my favorite color. It's 2019, don't judge. When you open the box, the phone is right here. As you can see, it's in its Aura Pink. There are 4 colors, the Aura Black, Aura Glow, Aura Pink. There is only one storage variant for this Note 10, which is 256 gigs of internal memory space coupled with 8 gigabytes of RAM. If you want something higher, you're gonna go with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. After putting the phone on top of its box, the rest of it, this is just a little plastic sheet to prevent the back of the phone from being scratched by its accessories, IMEI number, sticker, and these are the accompanying accessories. So the first thing I want to talk about is the new USB charging brick. This is a USB-C to C-N, just like the Galaxy A80. This charges in 25 watts, it's 3-pin, and I'm gonna be expecting really good charging speeds because 1 is USB-C to C, and 2, this is, well, 25 watts, 10 watts higher than the previous generation. And there are several other pieces of paper here that protect the other accessories. So the first thing is, of course, the accompanying USB-C to USB-C cable. It's not terribly long, but you know, it does its job. Just bring it around wherever you go. Hope you have a compatible power bank to support all that fast charging. And these are the AKG tuned earphones. And this time it comes in a USB-C variant because the Galaxy Note 10 does not come with a 3.5mm jack, and neither does the Note 10 Plus. So that's fine. I've actually used the USB-C variant before. It had really kind of pleasing results. It was really balanced. Tweezer and S Pen nibs. Okay, this is a very complicated box. Just please give me a minute. Why? So after trying to open this for like 60 hours, we only needed this tiny piece. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna B-roll this. So this inside here are the tweezer and replacement tips for the S Pen. So you better keep this around because, you know, if you use the S Pen a lot, which is the point of getting a Note 10, you're gonna be needing this and to replace those tips when they're kind of used. And yep. The top of the box also has a little compartment there for you to keep other stuff. Just dropped around this time so that it's kind of smooth. So the top of it is, oh my goodness. All right. The SIM ejector pin, a transparent TPU case for you to immediately slot the phone in so that, you know, you can protect it from all kinds of dings and scratches until you buy another aesthetically pleasing one. But to me, I actually like this because I can put stickers on it without sticking it onto the device. So there is some customization. Other people would just put Polaroids and other ridiculous things. So the rest are your printed materials. You know, your quick start guide, how to install and activate Samsung Pay. So that's it. That's for the unboxing. A little bit on the device. I'm actually quite happy to have this phone today because of a little bit on the device before I finish this video is I'm really impressed with the size this time. You know, it's not so large. There are options now. There's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10. This fits perfectly for the small hand gang out there. So just a little bit more. So this is a Full HD display at about 6.3 inches in a full rectangular display size. It has a dynamic AMOLED panel. So moving on to the back of the device, this is a triple camera setup, a 12 megapixel main shooter followed by a 16 megapixel wide angle camera lens and another 12 megapixel telephoto shooter. The Note 10 Plus gets an extra 3D time of flight camera for that little extra depth, but besides all that, everything else is the same. Both also have the same 10 megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture. And in terms of chipset, this has the Exynos 9825, a very capable processor. There's a lot to look forward to. You get up to 4K of video recording quality in 60 frames per second. And there you have it, guys. That's my general unboxing of the Galaxy Note 10 so that you can see what's inside and just a little details about it. Watch out for my full review. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks Samsung for sending me this unit. Take care, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.